Hello, guys. Yeah, I think everything is going very fine. So let me check on the speakers because of sometimes people come and then do what and noise. Understand? So I have to check everything that it is good. If it is good, yeah. So I can see that everything is fine, but I don't see people. I don't see people, and I promised or I'm going to make this class around 3:30. Understand? So let me go in and let's do this. And every time we always recording. Let me check the recording if it's going through. Yeah, the recording is going through because of today. It didn't tell me that recording started or anything. Understand? So I have to check. So I've been saying to you that market is repeating itself. You understand? Market is repeating itself, or the chart is repeating itself. Even though it's not 100%, but 80%, market is repeating itself, or the chart is repeating itself. You understand? Let me show you some of the example. And I don't know why many people, they don't take this serious, you understand? As long as you didn't take this serious, or you just attended the class because of there is a class you paid, it's not important, because of at the end, I want you to make money. So look at here, you understand? Simple. Look at here and look at here. This is the same thing. The market went up and then go down. Even here, the market did the same. You understand? That's how market is repeating itself. When we say the market is repeating itself, we don't mean like a password. You see, the password is like you just write the password and say 1, 5, and then maybe 3, 0. You understand? So when we say the market is repeating itself, we don't mean the market is going to exactly release this number, you understand, or give us this number the way it is, you understand. Maybe sometimes the market can do what? Maybe the market can put 1 here. And let me tell you something. When it put 1, 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, you understand, this number is still the same because of we are still on the thousands. You understand? It's 1,531. If it changes, maybe it goes to 1,532 or 1,533, we are still on the same. Because it didn't move too much. It's like when, for this example, it's like when the market, when we say, okay, it repeats itself. So at the first place, the market went up, you understand, and make 2 spikes. You can see here, there is a 2 spikes, you understand. And then after, the market on this side went up and make 1 long spike and 1 short spike. You understand? Means this, and even when you check on this thing, they are not on the same price. You see these candles, these 2 candles are upanyana, and then this one are lowanyana. Understand? So when we say the market is doing what? It's repeating itself. We don't mean it's going to hit straight where it was, but 90% or 80%, it will do the same thing that it did before. You understand? So it means what you're gonna do if there is a space where the market, or maybe, let me show you something. Maybe this side, we are talking about 2 sides. Maybe the right, this is the left-hand side. This is the left. Let me even write the left. This is the left. And then this is the right. Let me cancel this. This is the right side. You understand? Whatever it is, you can see it. This is the right side. You understand? So let's say here on the left-hand side, we can see, okay, the market was on this side. Let's say this is the invisible side. We are still, we want to trade what happened. Because like the market now is right here. And then you checked previously, okay, the market will be going up. You understand? From here, because of this, because of the market is repeating itself either on the top or on the bottom. You understand? The market will repeat itself. So now you are on this level and you still see this. On this side, you don't see anything. The market is currently where? The market is currently here. The market is currently here. When, as we are talking, it's not up there. And then now the market is about to go up. And remember, you said the market is repeating itself. You understand? So means what is going to happen? The market will be going up. When it goes up like this, where you're going to take a profit, it's where the market before. Agree, this one is a visible part. And then the right-hand side is invisible part. So where you're going to take a profit is right here. Where the market did what? Where the market started to go down before. I was explaining this on the TikTok live yesterday, you understand? So it's where the market started to go down before. It's where you're going to take a profit when the market is going up. You can see even this thing has been happening now and then, you understand? So now, when the market is on the what? Let me clear some of the things here. So now you can see the market is right there where you're going to take what? Where you're going to be taking your profit. But you want to enter. Let's say you want to enter by that time because of like taking a profit. That's why I'm not giving you a profit because of like, you can see this market is from here to here. When it comes to this point, it doesn't hit exactly where before it hit it. You understand? So that's why I'm just saying, okay, you can even open big space to say right around this big space, I'm going to take a profit. You understand? So now I can't say take a profit on this part because of like, I will say, okay, you can take a profit on what? On this pink line. You understand? And then the market doesn't hit this pink line. It goes, at least maybe it goes and leave a space and start to go down. And then you will say what? I don't know my things. So that's why I say you can do what? You can just take a profit whenever you want to take according to your choice. Or like if you are satisfied with what you have made, you can take a profit right there. And when I send a signal, you have to even go to the chart and see why I said buy, why I said sell. You understand? Mostly you will see, I will sell here on the support or resistance. You understand? Maybe here or here. That's why I'm going to do what? I'm going to sell or buy. This is my buy on this side. I'm going to make it green. This is my buy, you understand? So someone was asking, Ore, how can I make a target of $10 a day? This is very, very, very simple. Like even, I don't know, ABC or 1, 2, 3. Because of like now I'm sending a signal right where, right here, and say, okay, guys, you can buy. If you buy from here with 0.001, around here, before the market can even hit our TP, you will take a profit because of you will be made $10 of yours. You understand? It's simple. After that, you take your $10 and then you don't trade the whole day. Even when I'm sending a signal, like right now, you limit $10 a day. So you take a signal, it goes up, and then you do what? You take your $10, you are done. You are out. That is simple. I don't even have to teach about that. You understand? Here I'm just teaching about people who wanna do what, who wanna be trading alone, who wanna follow the signals with understanding. So let me show you that example I was talking about. Let's say now I'm giving you a TP. I agree with you. When I'm still here, I'm saying, okay, my TP might be on the red line or maybe on the pebble line. So now I said, okay, this is our TP on the pebble line. Look at here. This is the TP. And then the market was going up like this. You understand? It didn't even hit the TP. You see, it left the space before it can go down. It left the space and then it started to go down like this. What if this is going to go down until even pass your entry level? You see that you're going to blow an account and you made a lot of money. It's because of I gave you a TP. But at least if I give you a what? A stop loss is like this. Let's say now I want to show you something again while we are still working on this one. Now you say, okay, now I'm going to do what? I'm going to enter for a buy here. Okay, a sell here because of I explained from here to here. Now you took your TP and everything, and then now the market is showing you that it's going down. So because of this, we see the spike, this big spike. You can see this big spike on this green candle, and then we see the spike. This spike means on the lower time frame, the market is going down. You understand? This is the 24 hours time frame. So on the smaller time frame means the market is going down. And when you go to the smaller time frame, when you see that the market is going down like this, what do? You say it's a confirmation. You understand? Where you're gonna enter on the red line, on this red line is where our spike starts. I think the spike starts here on this green one. You understand? The spikes start here. And then it's showing you a what? A confirmation that the market is starting to go down like this. You understand? When it goes down like this, you do what? You enter. Maybe you enter on this pink line. After entering on this pink line, or a pebble line, let me say pebble line, or let me make it green and then make it stripes like this. You enter on this green line with a what? With a sell. By that time, you're saying, okay, I'm going down. Look at where you enter. It's after the confirmation. After the confirmation, I mean from this red line to this green line. You waited for the market to trend from up there until to this green line so that you can confirm or the market is going down, and then you enter. And mostly, if you can check, even me, I enter on this kind of structure. I don't just enter straight here. Because of if you can enter straight here, you are not sure if this thing is done with a what? With a uptrend. So for you, you enter here on the green line, you say, okay, the market is selling. You understand? When you say the market is selling, because of we know sometimes it might be a retest, we're going to put a what? Stop loss on the what? On the red line. These numbers, they will tell you. You put on the what? On the MT5. On the MT5, when you hold this line, if you click and hold this line, and then you will see a pencil on top there, something to close this line or to cancel this line even for the pencil. That pencil, you click it and you go to something written, maybe point or whatever. It's written this number, this PIP numbers, 932969. So when it's written this number, you're going to copy this number, agree in here. I can do what? I can do like this. I want to show you in here. In here, I just do like this. Let me click it twice. You can see it gives me an option. It gives me which number, 93444 or 444, whatever it is. Here it is, you see, 393,449. You understand? So it gives me where this line is located. This number, I'm going to copy it and go to the stop loss and paste it as a stop loss. You understand? So even me, when now I'm giving a signal, I'm going to copy this number for this green line, and then I write entry level and paste this number, and then go to this number, copy it, and then write stop loss, and then give you. Maybe I come here, I put a line like this again, like the same line here on the support. I'm going to say it's a what? It's a TP. That's how I send the signal. And those signals you must copy to the calculator. I mean, you must write them down to the calculator. This is the calculator I'm talking about. So I don't see the time here for the video recording. So this calculator, agree, they don't allow us to copy and paste. So you're going to write them down straight the way it is, 9344, and then you do what? You paste the entry level, the stop loss, and the TP. You even write the lot size that you're gonna use on this trade that you are taking. And then this thing, it will calculate for you, or when you put a stop loss here, how much you're gonna lose. And then when you enter here, how much you're gonna you're going to lose if you enter here, stop loss here, and the TP here. It will show you everything here. It will show you your reward will be, and then your risk will be. You understand? That's how the things it is going to work. And it is going to do what? a risk management for you. You understand? So I'm talking about an entry level, when to enter and when to close. Someone every day, each and every day, I get a question about where to enter, where to close. And I'm always talking about this. When I'm saying it's a class, I'm talking about the same thing. But someone will even ask, why? I know because of people, they don't watch these videos. They just do what? They just skip them and then they leave them like that. That's why you see people, they keep on asking. You understand? So I was about to talk about currently where the market started to go down. You can, when you check the market, where it started to go down, it even leave the more space, you understand, before it can go down like this. So for now, I'm going to tell you when I do what, how do I see when the market is going to go for a long, you understand? When how do I see how the market will be going for a long? All this, what I'm explaining, I already told you about. All of my video are talking about this. Go to the bigger time frame. Do what? You check. Look at this from here or from here, anywhere where the market starts. Understand? Look at this arrow. It's going down. Means the market is falling. You understand? It's falling. But when you check, maybe you come this side, you go with this one. You see the market is doing what? It's going up. You understand? The market is going up. But let me show you. When the market is going up like this, check on this one. When the market is going up from here to here, here is where the market can start to do what? To break and start to go down deeply. But if it goes, maybe it break this level and then go up, means the market is respecting the what? Is respecting this one. Means the market turned around, is going up now because of like we have another what? Another level here. This is a fake breakout. You remember I was showing you this was our consolidation, support and resistance, and we had this fake breakout. Even I still have a picture, I'm not sure, but I still have a picture somewhere. Let me even show you. So that's how the things it is. Understand? So here, even here, you can see the market will never touch this position again. Remember, we're talking about the bigger time frame here. This can be a space the same as this one, that happened here. It can be a space here, and then the market start to do what? To go up. You understand? So let me not confuse you with the bigger time frame, because of the bigger time frame is not for everyone. Like when I start drawing here, means I'm talking about the months, I'm talking about the year, because of like it's the whole volatility 75. You see here, it's the whole volatility 75, it's the whole year. So at least if we are playing around here, we are talking about weeks and months. You understand? Weeks and months, maybe 6 months or 2 months. You understand? This thing will be changing right here. This is what I'm talking about. It's not this one, because of the big breakout was down. It was on down. I don't remember where is that peak, or when I explain about this breakout, this one. You understand? So now I'm going to tell you about the consolidation again. This is the consolidation. Whatever is happening here is the consolidation. You understand? This is the consolidation. It's going up and down, up and down, up. But the breakout is going to be a what? A buy. Why? Because of we are waiting for the what? We are waiting for the for this market to hit our what? It's coming from the support. This is our support. As I told you that we're going to just end here. This is our support. We are waiting for the market to hit the what? The resistance here. The resistance here. I think, yeah, it's here. And this one, it goes with which one? With this one. With this one. We are waiting to hit the what? The resistance on top here. Because it's from the support. This is the support. The market has been trying trying and trying and trying. So it's going to go up. The breakout is going to be a buy. That's how the things will be going. Even if it can go down for a long, long way, but it's going to be going to break out with a buy. You understand? You remember we bought from somewhere here. It was somewhere here. It was somewhere here. You understand? We bought and then we are on this level. So this consolidation is going to break out with a buy. With a buy. You understand? So the market is still going to buy. We are not done. Still going to buy until this point. Or like this thing is like a candle. Maybe 2 candles or 3 candles. You understand? 1, 2, maybe 3, and 4. This maybe might be 4th candle because of like in the bigger time frame, not 24 hours. Because of here we end with 24 hours. So kept some confused because of the no on the trading view platform and number on MT5, they are not the same. They are the same. You are not doing the right thing. They are the same. You are on the wrong, what do we call, on the wrong time frame. They are the same, totally the same. You understand? They are very the same. They will not be. They will not differ. It's the same prices. So why is not the same? I think, let me check on my phone here. I'll tell you. You think it's not the same, but it's the same. You are doing the wrong thing that side. Let me tell you. I will show you something. Yeah, this is what I can show you. We entered the market on, let me see, I think it's the signal here. The signal was on, check on the 1 minute time frame. Ne? The signal was on the, let me go for the signal in here. The morning signal. There's no different. The signal is on. Let me show you with this one. You understand? You see this number, I'm copying it, and I want to show you that this number existing here. Understand? This is where we did our signal paste. Okay, you see, this is our signal. It's a stop loss evil. I copy the stop loss. You see already they are there and they are the same. Oh, it's a buy. Yeah, it was a buy. You see that our signal is still on. Here it is a buy where we took a buy. You can go and check it now and tell me if you can see this number. You saw how I copied those numbers on my WhatsApp. That's how I do it. That's how I do it. That number, that line disappeared. Let me put another one. Paste again. Yeah, you see, this is where we entered for a buy. Go and tell me if that number is not there. On trading view, I see 10 numbers. On, oh, there is no different. You just have to do what? You see this, these numbers, this one are coming from the what? Are coming from the MT5. I copied them from the MT5 and then I pasted them on this. There is no different. You say on trading view, I see 10 numbers. So on the MT4, as long as you see 8 numbers, means on the on the trading view, you're going to use that 8 numbers. Agree with you, or I copied 8 numbers. 8 numbers. You can check here is whatever is 8 8 numbers on the MT4. I just pasted them, but it's the same. It's 8150 79. 8150 79. Even if I take this thing like this and then say 8 50 75, you understand? So, you know, yeah, it's after the comma. After the comma, those numbers don't count them. Maybe they are too small. It's the smallest pips. Those 2 numbers, you can just do what? You can just write 2 numbers after the comma. Agree, you see on the trading view, it is what? It is 4 numbers. Just write 2 numbers on the MT4. On the MT4, you can see my signal after the comma. Here is after the comma is many numbers. So now you just write these 2 numbers. 1, 2. The important ones is this one. Understand? So after the comma, you can use only 2 numbers. This other one is the smallest peep. Agree? Volatility 75 is cheap. So that's why it has many numbers. It's like 0,0001. Unlike other pairs are like, maybe you will find that a pair is going with maybe 1 comma, 2 comma, 10 comma. So that one are expensive. So in Volatility 75, you can even trade with small money. That's why it has this many pips, or this many numbers. Means you can even use this pips only, this last 2 numbers to trade your account. You understand? So that's how it is and why it is happening like that. And remember, we didn't hit our stop loss. This is our stop loss. Let me show you that we didn't even hit our stop loss on this signal that I gave in the morning around 6:30. Again, I send it around 5:27. Yeah, around 5:30. And I send it around 5:27. Let me show you. And then I paste. They will work. Don't worry. You see, we didn't hit the stop loss, and we took a trade somewhere here. It was going down in the loss, and then down in Yana, down, and then down in Yana. Now it's going where? It's going up. It's going with a channel. Sometimes I told you about the channel. Something like this. You see what this thing is trying to go up, but it doesn't go up very well. But it's trying to do what? To go up. This is the show that this thing is still going to go up. You understand? So that's how the market will be. And I can send another signal before the breakout. I have to send the signal after this thing broke out. And once this market, guys, hit this level here, going up, hey, just know that we're gonna eat. We're gonna eat. Hitting this, agree? This is a spike. These are the spikes that were going down. This one, I'm sure, I mean the candles, I'm sure it's 3 of them. Now, they were going down like this. I think it's 3. They were going down like this. And then now, they are going where? Up. Now, it's the candles, green candles, going up like this. Like this, guys. So this thing are the candles. So we are waiting for the candles to do what? Or like it will show us, this thing, it will show something like a candle. Let me say a market or candles were going down, red candles were going down like this, and then followed by a green candle going up like this. I know you just see the chart. So in behind is the candles, and then followed by a green candle going up like this. You understand? That's how the market will be moving. In the 24 hours is what you're gonna see. You understand? Let me even show you on the what? On the chart, because of I sent a chart. You can see here is the what? Is the red candles. I'm talking about this one. Here are the red candles going down, and then here's the green candle doing what? Going up. So why I'm saying this is gonna still buy is because of from here to here, it was green candles, and then little red, green, and then little red, and then green. The market is repeating the same thing, going up like this. And then if the market is going to go down, we're gonna close only this green candle, and then we do what? We close our trades of a sell. I mean a trade of a buy. You understand? So if this green candles close, means we're gonna do what? We're gonna just close our buy. Means the market is going to sell, but at the end of the day, the market is consolidating. It will sell maybe until this point or until here, and then start to go up again. And whenever it's going to go up, it's going to cover the space the time it was going down. Once it passed this level here on top, going up like this, my friend, we're gonna eat. We're gonna be eating. we're going to be eating. You understand? Because of this is a continuation of a buy. You can see here, I sent you a chart while the market was going down. It didn't hit our stop loss here on the 80 and then 800. 8,200. It was a what? It was our stop loss. Our entry level is on the red. Our stop loss is on the red on down there. You understand? So it's busy consolidating. That's why I was telling you already, what do? I do this because of the market was going down like this. The market when started to go up, I said, okay, I can enter because of this confirmation. And from my entry level, the market went up until this point. Because of the what? It's a confirmation that is going up. I didn't enter straight on here on the spike or on this point. On this point, that's where I'm going to put my what? My stop loss every time. You can even use your phone to do what? To analyze. You understand? So you can even use your phone to analyze. Let me show you even other pictures. Let me show you even other pictures. Or where do I end? Look at here. Okay, this one is the buy. It's the last buy. You understand? After the market was going down, when the market started to go up, I see what this is the confirmation, and then I do what? I buy. If you can check, like retest, let me say retest or whatever it is. I want to show you all the chart. Or where do I take a trade? Here, you see it was going down, and then it started to go up. I entered here, not here, here. I want to show you that what I'm teaching you is what I'm doing every time. Even here, you can see it was going down, and then I did what? Even in here, it was doing what? It was going up from here to here, it was going up. You can see here, it was going down. Let me say, even here, it was going up, and then started to go down for a long time. And then I entered here. Here, where it started to consolidate or touching multi times on this line, I do what? I enter, I do a stop loss. This is my stop loss. If you see this line on top is my stop loss. It's where I said people can stop the loss here. That's what I do. No matter it's going to come on this side or whatever, is going to bounce back. Even here, you can see the market was going down, and it's volatility 75. And then when it started to go up, I did what? I entered. That's what I do. Even here, you see here on these two blue lines, it is a entry level. Like I entered here for the first time, and I gave a signal here. Even here, it was a signal. The market started to do what? To consolidate and go down. When it goes down, whenever it started to go up, I said, okay, guys, you can enter around here because of the market started to go up. And then this is my confirmation, or the market made a wave or a retest, and then they entered. Even you can see here on top, the market was going down. I entered when the market started to go up. Understand? That's how I do the things. That's how I do the things. I think this one is the same, like I was just updating daily. So these other ones, they don't want to load. I think it's a network or something. So for today's class, I'm done, and you must know what you are doing. You understand? You must know what you are doing. I don't have to be saying this too much, because if I have to teach other like new people, they are the ones that will need this kind of a class. You others, we have to just go to the straight chart, and then we do what we have been taught. Don't be asking, can I enter or can I do what? You have to just enter if it's time to enter. Like now, you see the market is going down, but you want to ask me if you can enter. Agree is going down, just enter. It's your time to enter. So here we are taking a risk. Even me, the time I'm sending a signal of a buy here, I didn't hesitate to say, let me just enter, or I may confirm. I just said, as long as my analysis are telling me to enter a buy, I'm going to enter for a buy. You understand? Don't be fear and then saying, can I close? Can I enter? Can I do what? Don't confirm, just enter. You'll make money. If you keep on asking and asking, I will say, I don't know. Either you want to enter or what, because of like, the account is yours, the risk is yours. You understand? You just check the market. If the market say here we are going to enter, let's say this market goes up and then here because of it's going to go down. Don't be asking me if you can enter a sell here. You just enter a sell. It's time to enter a sell. You understand? So you have to do this every time. You understand? So this market is still going to go up. This it might be a retest. It will repeat the same thing as here. You see, this is a retest and this is a retest. So it was going down, up, the same, down, up. It might pass Nyana through this one and then do the same thing on top there. Something like this, you understand? While it's busy going up. So for today, I'm done, guys. We're gonna meet. I will let you know when we're gonna do a Zoom meeting because I have to give people more signals than classes because of classes are many classes and I taught everything in there. So on the classes is when when I see the difference, something that is not mostly coming. Oh, hey. So I just check if there is something that I can teach about and then I come and teach. But everything that you will need is there on the previous videos. You understand? Everything that you need, that you are asking about is there on the previous videos. So I will come here when someone has a question that is not there even in the videos. You understand? So even when I see what the market needs us to focus on, or even when I get new people, is where I have to teach. You understand? You understand? So I have to teach them and show them what is a live trade, how this thing is going. Maybe 5 classes. They are good. If you joined my my mentorship and you already attended 5 classes, is better. I think 5 classes I will be explained everything. You understand? These other ones are just extra. You just have to be there. If you didn't understand those 5 classes, you can be there until and until and until. Agree, you keep on learning. You don't stop learning. So, guys, I'm done for Fanda. We're gonna meet. This week. And today's Sunday. We're gonna be meeting during the week. I'll see what the market is doing, and then I'll come back and tell you about the class so that we can check what we can do. So for now, that's why I can't do a live trade because of the market is doing like what is consolidating. But what I can say, the buy will happen. If I do a live trade now, you'll find that I give you a signal of from here, and then after that I said it's gonna buy, and then the market start to sell within going up. Understand? And then it sell, it hit our stop loss, and then it start to go up again. You understand? So at least if we got it clear. So it's just that now you're going to work on the support and resistance so that you can be waiting for my signal. My signal will tell you to sell. I will text me inbox about the joint account because of in here we don't have time for that, and it's a private thing. It's not something that I can just come here and talk about it here. I have to talk about it inbox or in the groups.